Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be achieving or attempting to achieve a very gentle color washout. So I'm just taking some clarifying shampoo and washing my hair with it, not in the traditional way that I wash my hair where I put the shampoo and water in an applicator bottle, but I wet my hair up and now I'm concentrating the shampoo and stuff on my scalp. And in the second shampoo, I'm going to concentrate the clarifying shampoo on my ends, on the blue part. So I'm trying to remove the blue because I want it to be a different color, either purple or green. Haven't quite decided, but yeah, this is the first step. Especially if I want to make it purple, I feel like it needs to be a little lighter if I want the purple to really shine through, you know. So I'm just washing everything, and it's pretty self-explanatory, but if you want, you can just watch the video and in its entirety and have fun listening to the music and whatnot. And in another video, I'm actually going to show you my lock knots. So stay tuned for that one too, and I will TTYL. Okay.